We all know that protein is an essential macronutrient that helps with your overall satiety. It is naturally occurring in so many foods, but most of it is found in animal products like meat. So what if you're a vegetarian? What are your protein options then? You may be pleasantly surprised to learn how many options you have. You can consider soy products like extra firm tofu and lesser known tempeh. Tempeh is made from fermented soybeans and is a great source of probiotics as well. You can also incorporate seitan, which is a wheat gluten. 3.5 ounces of it is a whopping 25 grams of protein. Another source of protein for vegetarians comes from beans and legumes. Lentils provide about 18 grams in 1 cup cooked. Chickpeas are a great source as well, so why not have some hummus as an afternoon snack? Other beans that are really good protein sources are black and pinto beans, northern beans, and mung beans. These sources have some carbohydrates, but also have a good amount of fiber. Another lesser known option is nutritional yeast. It comes as small flakes, which when sprinkled on food adds a cheesy or nutty flavor. And more importantly, 1 ounce is about 14 grams of protein. And don't forget about hemp seed, which can be a delicious protein-rich addition to a salad or roasted vegetables. And speaking of vegetables, did you know that peas are a great source of protein, about 9 grams in 1 cup cooked? And don't forget about edamame, which are basically young, immature soybeans eaten shelled or in pods. And unless you're a vegan, dairy foods are another great source. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese have some of the highest amounts of protein. Just remember to buy plain yogurt or plain cottage cheese to keep the sugars low. You can always add some berries of your own if needed. And of course, eggs are a great option and can be eaten in so many different ways. Finally, keep in mind some of the cheeses like Gruyere, hard Parmesan, and cheddar, when eaten in moderate amounts, can provide a decent amount of protein. If my team and I can be of assistance in your weight loss journey, reach out to us at healthymeweightloss.com or give us a call at 703-783-5673.